Okay, so now I want to show you how to create a recipe. So you're going to go to More, and then you're going to go to Meals, Recipes, and Foods. Here you're going to want to click on Create a Recipe. So here you already see like all the recipes that I have made through MyFitnessPal that have made my life so much easier. And so you're going to go to Create a Recipe. You're going to go enter ingredients manually, and here you can put in, let's say you're going to make just for the simplicity's sake, chicken chili. And for now, you can kind of put just like how many servings you think you're going to make. So let's say I think it's going to be about 6 servings. And then here is where you'll go ahead and enter all the ingredients individually. So you can either search for the food, like chicken breast, search, right? And you can pick it there, or you can scan it in. So you have your scan, you take the barcode, scan it in, and I'll add it in. So you want to, as you're inputting all of these ingredients, you're going to want to weigh them as you're putting them in, just so that you're putting the right macro amount for each ingredient. So to save time, I actually already have this recipe in here. So here's my chicken chili recipe, right? So this is what it's going to look like once you put everything in. Okay? And then if you decide that like, oh, I actually have enough for 8 servings, you can go here. Actually, oh, you can't. Okay, never mind. You just go here. I think this is where you can edit the amount of servings. Here we go. So you could change it to 6, or you could change it. So if we go to 6, it'll automatically see how the fat, carbs, and protein increased. And then if it's 8, then it's that. And you just go to save, or you can do save and log it to your thing if you're having it right away. So the key here is that once you're done, you want to weigh the whole thing. And just for simplicity's sake, let's say that it is 1,000 grams. So the whole thing weighs 1,000 grams. And so this is where you kind of want to have a sticky note. And so because it weighs 1,000 grams, so here we go to chicken chili, or you can go to your recipes and you already have it here. We'll do 1 serving. And then you just add. Perfect. Okay, so what I'm trying to say with the grams, here's a little calculator. So the whole thing weighs 1,000 grams, and we decided that there's going to be 8 servings. So you divide it by 8. So that means that each serving is 125 grams. So 125, cancel. How do I get out of here? Okay. Oh, Lord. Okay, here we go. So that means that 1 serving, 125 grams of this, you're going to take it out, serve it onto your plate, is going to equal 28 carbs, 3 fat, and 24 protein. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.